If you work with large spreadsheets in LibreOffice Calc, this simple feature can save you a lot of time. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to split a window in LibreOffice Calc so you can view different parts of your sheet at the same time. This is super useful when you want to compare data, keep headers visible, or move through a long spreadsheet without losing your place. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick LibreOffice tips. Now let's get started. First, open LibreOffice. If you're starting from scratch, look on the left side under Create and click Calc Spreadsheet. If you already have a spreadsheet saved, just open your existing file instead. Once your calc sheet is open, the first thing you need to do is click the cell where you want the split to begin. This is important because calc will split the window based on the selected cell position. So for example, if you want to see rows above and below at the same time, or columns side by side, choose the cell that matches where you want that split line to appear. After selecting the cell, go up to the top menu and click View. In the View menu, look for the Split Window option. This is the command that creates the split view inside your spreadsheet. When you see Split Window, click it once. You'll notice immediately that the spreadsheet window divides into separate panes. Now you can scroll in one section while the other section stays in place, which makes it much easier to work with big data sets. Once the window is split, you can navigate each section of the sheet more efficiently. This is especially helpful if you're comparing values across distant rows, checking totals against source data, or simply trying to keep important headings visible while you scroll. If you've ever had to jump back and forth in a long spreadsheet, this feature can be a real time saver. And if you ever want to turn the split off, you can return to the View menu and click Split Window again to remove it. That means you can switch between normal view and split view whenever you need. It's quick, easy, and very practical once you get used to it. So that's how to split a window in LibreOffice Calc. A small feature like this can make a big difference in how comfortably you work inside spreadsheets. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple software tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.